Hi, my name is Frank Ho. I'm the founder of Vancouver, Canada, Ho Math Chess Learning Center. I have created a very exciting, one-of-a-kind, unique, and world first math teaching method, which combines math, chess, and puzzles all in one on one worksheet. I have written a book. It's called Introduction to Ho Math Chess, and its founder, Frank Ho. In this book, I have categorized my invention of integrated worksheets into 16 categories. And if you're interested, you can take a look at my book at the Amazon bookstore. One of its kind is a worksheets which I called Intelligent Worksheets. I have expanded the category of Intelligent Worksheets into over 20 pages in my book, in my another workbook which I have written, and it's called, I'll show you, it's called Ultimate Math Contest Preparation, Ultimate Math Contest Preparation, Problem Solving Strategy, Math IQ Puzzle Answers. Well, this is answer book. Of course, if not answer book, it will be just Math IQ puzzles. So, Ultimate Math Contest Preparation, Problem Solving Strategies, and the Math IQ puzzles. It has a set of 6 workbooks from grade 1 to grade 6. Each grade basically cover 1 and 2, so grade 6 will cover in Canada from 6 to grade 7. Starting from page 30, I have a section called Intelligent Worksheets. Why I call Intelligent Worksheets? Because I have created worksheets which allow students to choose operator, or it's quite different from traditional worksheets in a way. Not only students will work on computations, but also they need to figure out the problems and basically work on the computation like they work on word problems. So it's quite unique and exciting. I think personally this could be the future of computational worksheets, or at least one type which will make students feel more exciting and more willing to work on computations. I have created a chess symbol to link math and chess. As you can see here, I will introduce to you. The first one is the white queen. This is black queen, and this is white rook. This is black rook. White bishop, black bishop. White knight, black knight. And then we'll go on to say this is white pawn, black pawn, white king, black king. So I use these symbols in my worksheets. I will give us a little demo so you understand what I mean by intelligent worksheets. On these worksheets, you'll see that students will have a choice to pick up their mathematical operators, such as plus or minus, to come up with the answer. So how do we create a worksheet, computational worksheets, which will allow students to choose the operator instead of define the operator first? So if it's addition, they have to work addition. If it's subtraction, they have to work on subtraction. This worksheet will allow students to have the choice based on the answer to pick whether it's addition or it's subtraction. Of course, this is not the only type of intelligent worksheet which I created. It's just one little sample, so you get a taste of it. Alright, so let's get started here. On the top left corner here, On the left column, you'll see 1, 2, 3. At the bottom row, you'll see ABC. So it's a mini chess board. Again, we identify the position of the students. You are at the B2 at square. So this tells the student when you work on the worksheets, you are positioned at a B2. So B2, this is a B here, and this is 2 here, and you see 9. So you're at a B2, it will be 9 here. On the right hand side, there's another table. Let's just leave that for now, and we go on to the next section here. Square times, this is a rook symbol, and the dark arrow point to the left, plus or minus, so-called 1, and this is underline here, equals shaded square on the right. So this is now is a crossed square, so maybe we can say cross the square on the right, but it could be a shaded square. So I'll put a 9 here, okay, because I know I'm at a position 9 at a position B2, which indicates it's a 9. I move to the left. From my position move to the left, I see a 4, so I see 4. All right, so 9 times 4, I put it here. 9 times 4, I know it's 36. Now plus or minus, I don't know. I don't know whether this question is a plus or minus, but I do know equals the shaded square on the right. The shaded square on the right is D2, is a crossed here, right? So this shaded probably we can say crossed, C-R-O-S-S-E-D, is crossed square on the right. So the D2, I look at the table on the top, D2, it is 63 here. So I can circle 63. So I know the answer is 63. So 36 is a plus or minus what is 63? Well, 36 minus a number will not be equal to 63. So I know it's a plus. So I have to say the answer would be plus. 36 plus what is 63? So at this point, the student will have to work backwards. So 63 minus 36, I will get 7 here, because 6 complement number to make a 10 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. So I know now the answer is 9 times 4 plus 27 is 63. Okay, so you see from this little demonstration, you can see that this question involves multiplication, 9 times 4. And how do we get 9 times 4? The student have to retrieve information from a mini chessboard and also from a storage table. It would appear to the student is like a cloud storage. This information is stored somewhere. You have to retrieve it. And then how do we know it's a plus minus? Again, you have to retrieve another table to find the answer. Based on the answer, you work backwards to find out one of the number will be 27. Okay, so maybe we have some time, we can work on the next one. All right. So I'll adjust my sheet a little bit. Here we go. Now the next one, the square box. I'm a square box. I'm positioned at a B2, so I will still be 9 times this rook position indicates going up. 9 goes up. I'm at a 9. I go up. I have a 2 here, so I go 9 times 2. Plus or minus, I don't know, but we can work out partial answer. 9 times 2 is 18. Now, what would be the answer? It's across the square on the right side, which is E3. On this one here, E3. So I have to get the coordinates of E3 from the top right-hand side table. E3 is 81. So I put 81 on top of a line here. 18 plus or minus what is 81? Well, the number is getting bigger, so I know I have to work backwards. 18 minus 81 minus 18 is 8's complement to make 10 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. So I know the answer is 63. So let's check back the answer. 18 plus 63 is 81. So it is correct. So this is what I call is one type intelligent arithmetic worksheets. The student is allowed to choose whether it's addition or subtraction, logically and reasonably based on the answer hidden in the table. The student would have to find the answer from the table. So by walking through the puzzle-like worksheets, student will be able to figure out all the answers. I thank you very much for your watching. Bye for now.